Now we can discuss about the triangulation law of addition. Let's consider one triangle and put OBN. This is A and this OA is A vector, AB is B vector, and then OB is R vector. Let A vector and B vector are the two vectors, and then A vector is the head of the vector and B vector is the tail of the vector. And A vector is connected to B vector and R vector is the resultant vector. R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. Now, triangulation law of addition, we can find magnitude of the resultant vector and then direction of the resultant vector. Now, first we can find magnitude of the resultant vector. Magnitude of the resultant vector. Now we can take this ABN small size triangle from ABN triangle. Now cos theta is equal to, cos theta formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Then AN by B. This is AN by B. Now this is AN is equal to cos theta, and then take sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, formula is opposite by hypotenuse. Now opposite is BN, opposite is BN, hypotenuse is B. Okay, BN by B. Now BN is equal to sin theta. Now put AN is cos theta. In this diagram put AN is B, AN is cos theta. B. AN is B cos theta and BN is B sin theta. This is theta, this is alpha, and then this is the angle. This is the fill of triangle. Next we can find full triangle. Second, from triangle OBN. In this triangle we are using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is what? OB square is equal to ON square plus BN square. Write this. OB squared is equal to ON square by BN square. OB squared is what? R. Put R. is equal to ON square. ON square is A plus B. A plus B cos theta the whole square, and Bn is B sin theta whole square, and then R squared is equal to, we can apply in this equation A plus B the whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin theta the whole square. Now R squared is equal to A square A vector plus B vector is equal to square root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. And then we find now magnitude of the resultant vector is find out, and then we can find the direction of the resultant vector. Resultant vector. These taking from triangle OBN. Now alpha tan alpha we can find. Tan alpha is equal to Bn by On. Bn by On is OA plus AN. Now write OA plus AN, and then tan alpha is equal to Bn is B sin theta. We write B sin theta, and OA AN B cos theta, right? A plus B cos theta. Alpha is equal to, this tan is go to this side, and tan inverse of bracket B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Again I explain this concept, triangulation law of addition. First consider one triangle and split into two triangle. Let A and B are the two vectors. A vector is the head, B vector is the tail. A vector is connected to B vector. A is the resultant vector. R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector. First we can find magnitude of the resultant vector. First we can take this triangle. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse AN by B. AN is equal to B cos theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse BN by B is equal to BN by B sin theta. Then triangle OBN. Using Pythagoras theorem, OB squared. This OB squared is equal to ON squared plus BN squared. R squared is equal to A plus B cos squared plus B sin the whole square. R squared is equal to A squared plus B squared cos squared theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B squared sin theta. R squared is equal to A vector plus B vector, and then square root of A squared plus B squared plus 2AB cos theta. Then direction of the resultant vector we can find now. From triangle OBN, tan alpha is equal to Bn by ON. Bn by ON is OA plus Bn, OA plus AN. Tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Alpha is equal to tan inverse. This tan is go to this side, means minus 1. That is tan inverse into B sin theta by A plus B cos theta.